Testing. Welcome on the channel. Today a few words about my water system from the point of waste water, grey water. So I have four points where the water came from the van inside the grey water tank. Kitchen sink, dishwasher, shower tray, and of course bathroom sink. So let's start from the less problematic point of view. It's no problem with water coming out from the dishwasher, maybe because is some pressure on this water from dishwasher pump, and it's sealed, is going under the van, and probably because of this pressure, it's no problem, it just came out without any problems. Shower tray. To tell the truth, I'm afraid a bit of the shower tray because it's such a small high level difference between grey water tank and this waste outlet, but it's no problem. I was a bit surprised, but water came quite quickly. I think it's a less bend. Of course, the less bend and is quite short distance. Of course, it's done like that, so I have to access to this outlet from the bottom. It's a quite huge hole, but I'm crazy. So if I bond something, it will be problem with repair and will be broken anyway. So it's done like that. But it's not a problem at all. Bit bigger problem. It's not a problem. It's here because it's too many bends with this waste pipe from this tray. On the beginning we have trap, and it's a one of problem. It's a kitchen, so I use the trap, so just easier to clean, not like a disconnected the waste pipes underneath. But it shows, so it's leaking here, and right now it's assembled with silicone. So in the future I have to find something similar fitting to this sink to be better, and because right now is I don't wanna use every time use the silicone, and because it's much more bends, I suppose. So it's when you drive, it's create a bubble of the air in between two bends. It's like a two waste traps underneath. So you need to fill the sink up to half. The water starts coming down quickly, and later on all the time came out quickly till you start driving van, and still like because of tilting, shaking, everything create again this bubble in the middle one. But this is something with when I came living with it, it's not a problem. I don't want to change it. To tell the truth, I don't have any options, because to tell the truth, the waste pipes came not straight to the floor, they came through the seal. It means it's better because I don't have to be very carefully with sealing these holes with going to the seal. It's always some water inside the seal because of drains, everything, so it's not a big problem if you bit more. Okay, and the most problematic place of wastewater system is here. Of course, because it's my stupid idea or bright idea, depends what you think about it. Sink in a drawer, I have to create kind of system which will accommodate this extra length of waste pipe, and I don't know why I do that. As you see, is you see from this point of view, so it's a quite long piece of nearly flat or even sagging down the waste pipe. So right now when I see it, I don't know why I designed it in this style, because it never will work properly. Water came down from the sink, but it's very slowly. Whatever you do is very slowly, so I have to decide how to do it. I don't know yet. Probably, I don't know. I just don't know. So I don't know. Okay, so that's few words about current situation. Of course, underneath is a grey water tank, is 71 liters. I make a video about these tanks, probably about water tank. The grey tank is along the van. True, I don't know how to do it. It's hard to imagine right now for me how it will work. Ay, 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 ay. Still is not enough fast, but it's faster than it was. One good thing, I don't need the sink plug. A different story, so I create a second problem, because after I close sink, it never will. I don't like it. Still too slow. So means I don't solve any problem. Oh, it's better, definitely. How it looks from inside. Okay, it's empty. Earlier is stay quite long. And this is the second problem. This means right now, after I shut drawer, is no chance to. And of course it's not a problem if I stay on a flat, but if the back of the van will be a bit higher, it's create problem. Okay, but for now I think this is one solution. Maybe I found another one. If anybody have any idea, I'm open to for suggestions.